Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE lodges complaint with Delhi Police's IFSO unit over coordinated cyber attacks on its post-result services portal used by lakhs of Class 12 students for verification and re-evaluation services. Despite repeated attacks from multiple domestic and international IP addresses, the board confirmed that no data breach or unauthorized access occurred, with 24/7 cybersecurity monitoring and support from IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, CERT-in, Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, and other government agencies successfully protecting the system. CBSE extends the deadline for Class 12 verification of marks and re-evaluation applications to 7th June 2026 midnight following multiple student requests over portal glitches, login problems and Aadhaar authentication issues. While the additional 24 hours have been welcomed by students, many continue to seek faster resolution of technical issues and early declaration of re-evaluation results. National Yoga Olympiad 2026 to be held online from June 15 to 18. CBSE urges schools to encourage student participation in the NCERT organized event aimed at promoting yoga, holistic development and healthy values among learners. Registration is open until 10th June through the official portal, with assessments covering asanas, pranayam, kriya, dhyan and bandh. IIT Roorkee allows JEE Advanced 2026 qualifiers affected by the CBSE OSM evaluation controversy to participate in Joint Seat Allocation Authority counselling and receive conditional seat allotments even if they currently fall below the required Class 12 marks threshold. However, final admission to IITs and NITs will be granted only after candidates meet the prescribed eligibility criteria through original results, re-evaluation or supplementary examination outcomes. CBSE OSM controversy deepens as documents reveal that Coemt EduTech submitted cybersecurity certificates linked to a different client's platform and an expired security assessment during the tender process. Subsequent investigations found multiple critical vulnerabilities in the on-screen marking system, prompting government scrutiny, security audits and a formal review of the procurement and deployment process. CBSE issues missing biology answer sheet to Class 12 student after social media complaint highlighted discrepancies in post-result services. Board confirms resolution of the matter and says revised marksheet and pending documents were provided following review of the student's grievance. Cockroach Janata Party leads Jantar Mantar protest demanding Education Minister's resignation over examination-related issues. Founder joins students and youth as demonstrators call for greater accountability and education reforms. Security intensified across Delhi with heavy police deployment, while activist Sonam Wangchuk signals support for the movement. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.